excited to start using the new Instagram automations? When I first got started in chat marketing, my first love was with the comment growth tool feature. I knew. Do you want customers?
Make things simpler, faster, more convenient. One tap, you get a conversation with your customer that never ends.
You know how many people have been to your venue. You know how many people have tapped you. I'm just going to scan.
Yeah, I was like, you need to talk to Ryan. He's got Tap the Table. Don't even waste your time. He's got a solution.
It just works.
And that's why Tap the Table exists in the first place. Boom. And then you just start doubling the price. That's that right there.
We're doing different things.
I'm going to tell you what works based on what I have literally seen. Stop. Just tap your phone. Boom, done. Easy. What is going on, y'all? Ryan here, and we've got another fun educational episode today about automation and chatbots and online food ordering and actually one of my favorite things, pizza. What's up, guys? I'm going to be professional and not take a huge bite of the pizza because it's already gone. Last time I had some Wingstop wings on the episode, and I said it wasn't because they're my favorite wings, although they were good. Took a big old bite. Domino's definitely is not my favorite pizza, y'all. By a long shot, they're not my favorite pizza, but they are very, very good when it comes to technology, when it comes to branding. Yes, LinkedIn learning time. You got a guy on your feed with a pizza box. And I'm infatuated by it. I study it. I look on the bottom of it because it has a freaking thing for hand balancing. How funny is that? Okay, I've never delivered pizza, so I don't know if there's proper etiquette here. But how interesting. I was looking for the QR code, to be honest with you guys. Didn't see the QR code. But the reason I'm showing you this is I did something I think that's kind of interesting today. For anyone that's out there that has watched an episode of the Chatbot podcast, thank you very much, or Tap the Tables show about restaurant tech, first of all, thank you. Today, I'm going to show you not the competition, but another route to do something similar. And in this case, only the biggest businesses in general can pull off what I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up a little thing I like to call my other screen, as I said so last time. It's so funny, guys. I wish I had more time to produce such a cool, awesome podcast for you guys, but the time's just so limited. I want to do this stuff for you guys, but I just have to have the time, and we've been super busy. What I'm going to show you is how I ordered my Domino's pizza today. Okay. Remember, I said I ordered the Wingstop wings because they were my favorite because it was fast, easy, and convenient. Domino's is probably the most giant out there of all the giants. I'm going to show you an email actually before I show this piece because I'm on the point today. I'm on the money today. I'm going to show you guys the email that I got that spurred this whole thing. If I can find it in my bajillion emails. Domino's. Yes, here we go. So here's what we'll do. Let's just do a little thing we like to call, what's it called? Reflector. I'm going to put reflector on so you can see my actual phone as well. How are y'all doing today? I hope you're doing excellent. We're going to skip this version of the reflector update. Now I think we should be able to connect. What I'm going to show you guys is the email that I got that spurred this episode today by Domino's. Because they are awesome at marketing, man. This is something that no one can deny. So here, I'm pulling it over. Look how fancy I am today, y'all. Can you see the screen? I hope you can. This is the email that I got from Domino's. Okay, so first of all, folks, we're talking about the biggest, baddest marketing budgets, period, known to man. This is what Domino's has. They have all the money, basically. You cannot compete with Domino's. I'm sorry. As far as their reach goes, as far as their liquid assets go, as far as their technology goes. What's so interesting to me unless they have this would totally, I would have to like find the person in charge of Domino's and shake their hand and tell them thank you. If I'm in some email segment likes tech, I'd be blown away. Highly doubt that's the case. But this email that I got sent, I don't order Domino's very much, guys, by the way, was sent, and it's all about tech. You're in the Domi. No, these guys are the best in the world, folks. This company, along with Coca-Cola, these companies are buying the best of the best. Money is not an object, especially when it comes to tech and marketing. So, and copywriting too, whether this is Jarvis or not. You're in the Domino, okay? Be on the cutting edge of pizza tech. And do you guys see what they've done? It's like they're speaking to me. Be on the cutting edge of pizza tech in a funnel, okay? Reorders, new orders, easy orders. This is an animated GIF email. Already got Wendy on it. Wendy's the graphic master over at Tap the Table, along with the master of so many other things for us. And I said, Wendy, this is awesome. Whenever I see, and I sign up for marketing, not to, be so customer centric. I'm looking at it as a marketer. Okay. So I'm seeing what they're doing and what can I make better? What can I learn from? What do I not want to do that someone's doing that's bad? Okay. These are all important things to take away. So I'm looking at this graphic. It's excellent, amazing graphic on the email. And then what caught my eye is order anywhere. Order from any device. Now, Tap the Table, we have a little something we call omni ordering. Hopefully this internet connection is okay. If it's not, let me know if you can. Omni ordering is very important. No matter where your customer needs to order or wants to order from you, give you money, let them do the thing is my advice. So the places that we can order here, Google Home, Alexa, Slack, Messenger. Okay, they're definitely one of the first big companies to play in Messenger space. Text messaging, tweet, car. They have a deal with Ford. This is what I mean by the way, when I, along with financials, but when you say little guys versus underdogs versus the big guys, Tap the Table is the littlest guy of them all. We are the smallest of the small, but we can compete. And I'm going to show you how with the most giant applications, the most giant businesses and brands out there. And I'll prove it here, but they have an advantage with all of the money and all of the connections. They can have partnerships with vehicle manufacturers like Ford. So if you're in a new Ford, I believe you've got the capability to order a pizza from your car's version of Siri or Alexa. So, I mean, smart TVs, voice, smartwatch, okay? Now, technically, when you get technical about it, you can use Tap the Table on all these channels, but we don't claim to integrate with all of these things. And I think the one that's most weird to me is like they're really stretching is Slack. You know, the one that they're missing, folks, the most giant tech giant of them all. They're missing Instagram, baby. They're missing Instagram. And yes, Tap the Table has Instagram and it's awesome. I'll show you the things, but first I'm going to show you how I actually made this order today because, I basically screenshot everything. So hopefully you can see my screen here. I'm going to kill my phone. You don't need to see that anymore. And let's kill little reflector. Maybe we'll go fast. So let's see, reflector here. Let's turn you off. You're probably hosing up the system. Okay, reflector's done. But you guys can still see. This is how we're ordering right here. Let's start this over so I can give you the play-by-play, okay? So this was on their website. I clicked the link. I'm in Messenger now and I hit get started and it says, hello, what would you like next? So off rip, I think that there could be such better branding. Here's our menu. What would you like? Build your own is what I chose. Okay, I didn't even really swipe the buttons here. Let's see here. So we've got what size would you like? I said medium, hand tossed. Shopify notifications going off. Okay, I've got a medium 12-inch hand tossed. This is where it gets bad. I'm going to stop it right here. So this is where Domino's totally fails. No one is going to read I didn't read it. No one's going to read the toppings like that. Why they would put the toppings there in this way, I have no idea. To me, this makes no sense here. What I did, guys, let's look at this slowly. I was on their website. Number one, on the website, this link here went straight into the Messenger application. This is called an m.me link, and you can open up applications in this way. So I go from the website to Domino's social media account in Messenger. I click on that. Messenger opens up, and boom, it's coming right into the conversation. And I only have one option here, and that is to get started. I tap that. Okay, it's typing to me. Hello, what do you want to do next? Okay, first of all, come on, guys. Y'all can be more creative than this. Hello, what would you like to do next? I mean, I get it. Going straight to the point is big, but I'm saying like we can have a little bit more fun here. All right, entice me with some imagery here. Give me a photo or something. Do something here. Be on brand. So I just say menu. Okay, here's our menu. What would you like? Pizza, sandwiches, pasta, right? I chose pizza. See what item you like. This is called a carousel, or otherwise known as a gallery. This, guys, pay attention, chatbot nerds who are listening, if there are any. What's happening here is we're able to provide an image, okay, a headline, and a subtitle, and at least one button, sometimes up to 3. In Messenger, there's 3. Instagram, there's 3. And you're able to swipe, I believe, up to 10 cards. An 11th card can be your see more card, and it repeats the process and gives you more information. In this case, it's their menu. I could have kept swiping, right? And I would have seen more options. So in this case, I just hit add to order on the build your own. So that's where we are right now. Then we come to the next part of their equation. They're asking me my crust type. I choose hand tossed. Okay. So far, so good. Medium, sure. Chat table, by the way, we would have already been finished. Now here's where it gets fun. Okay. Back it up just a hair. This is where they screw up, in my opinion. Not trying to be mean here, but I'm just guest experience, user experience. Your customers are number one. I know you're tech focused, but you must be customer service first, tech second. The tech helps the customer, not the other way around. We shouldn't have to navigate through the tech. The tech should just be intuitive enough, in my opinion. You guys have the money to do this. I've got a medium 12-inch hand tossed cheese pizza. Would you like any toppings on that? There should be no this is not a conversational function. Okay, we don't need a conversation happening here to ask us if we want a topping. This should be a click. This should be, I want 3 toppings. Bang, bang, bang. This is bad. Okay, so I had to think about it. No thanks. What do you have? So I chose, what do you have? Another Shopify. Bam, killing it. All right, so what do you have? This is so horrible. This is bad. We offer this, that, and the third, blah, 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 blah. This should be what's known as a web view on Messenger and Instagram and whatever. So in this case, instead of tapping something and tapping 3 things, I had to type the whole word pepperoni. Slows us down. Then they verify. This was silly too. So then they would you like anything else? No thanks. Okay, so I've added this, and it's got pepperoni on it. Okay, what would you like to do next? Now, probably Domino's hired a company to just code everything here. Hard coding this would take a long time, and there's a big investment. Hard coding this in JSON, while it's very, very doable, tough. Now, this was cool. So let me pause here. We're almost done, kind of. This is a long process, right? Order a freaking pizza. Deliver to 555 Mill Street. This is the address I gave. Your order contains 1 pizza, blah, blah, blah. You want to see the details, check out, view the cart, or keep shopping. In this case, I'm ready to be done with this thing, man, and get on with my life. So I had checkout, and this is where it kind of gets interesting. It is fun to know that they pulled my address from a previous conversation. It was stored. Okay, I need some quick information, which I thought this was silly. Also, note, when I had to pick up this pizza, they did not have my name. Okay. What's your email address so I can send you a confirmation? Also note, we should be pulling these email addresses automatically This should be pulled. If the email field is correct, Facebook will provide the email. Okay, it didn't do that in this case. The button right here where it says debit or credit gift card, that should be your email associated with your Facebook or Instagram account. Debit or credit, that's what I chose. Okay. So then, okay, so here's where I'll stop. And this point, again, I was wondering how they were going to take the credit card number because I wasn't about to just type it in a messenger like that, not into the message bar. But I wanted to see. So in this case, they just send you straight to what I referred to a minute ago as a web view. They're going to open up a web view. Okay, so here's that function. I tap the checkout button. And what happens here? Loading screen pops twice, redirect. It's prompting me as an upsell right now. It's saying, hey, before you get to your cart, bam. And here it is. So this is the interesting piece. As far as aesthetics go, it does not get better than Domino's. They're the best in the business. This is a beautiful mobile checkout. It really is. So props when it's due. But that process, straight ridiculous. Like, how long did it take? Like, at the end of the day, the interesting thing behind this story, I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a minute and talk to you here. The most interesting part of this story is when I place the order through the web view, essentially like through their website, I get a call like not even 2 minutes later. And it's, pretty early in the morning here. I was hungry, okay? And at 11, who's hitting me up here? Someone might be telling me my volume's off. I'll cry if that's the case. No, it's a friend. Anyways, essentially 2 minutes later after I placed the order with my credit card, I get a call. Caller ID says Dominos in Beaufort, which is a different town than I live in on Hilton Head area. And so I'm like, oh, great. They mismatched the address somehow, even though I gave them my zip code through that whole process. Well, that wasn't the case. It was the right location, but you know what? Ding, ding, ding. There was no driver on staff. No driver. Domino's didn't have a driver. This is how bad the employee shortage is. This is why it doesn't surprise me that I guess twice this month of August in 2021, the first video was in India. The second one, I believe it was in Ohio. Robot delivery, folks. In 2021, we don't have flying cars, but we do have little vacuum cleaner looking sized robots on wheels that'll come deliver your pizza to your dorm room or your address. In bigger urban cities. They ain't coming to Bluffton. To me, this is crazy. And what's also pretty nuts, what I'm understanding from the smart people out there, those guys over at Nurse Brands who are doing this sort of thing, are dealing with these people. It's not like they're even fully cooking the pizza and then putting it into a box. A person is like putting it into the real robot and then sending it on its way. Instead, they're not fully cooking it. But by the time it arrives to your house, inside the thing, I wish I had a clip. Kelly would have had a clip. The bot queen, she would have been prepared. Instead, the pizza is finished cooking on the way to you. So it's like legit, I guess the idea is as close to out of the oven as you can possibly get, which is a very interesting concept. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to do essentially the same thing as Domino's did in Messenger on a brand new Facebook account. That's not powerful. That's got no followers. That's nothing, but it'll be a much better, faster user experience. Okay. And we're also going to connect to Instagram. I think that'll be fun. So this is the page I think we'll use. And I think this is the menu that we'll use. To create a menu is very, very simple. It's best if you already have one, just upload it or give it to us. It'll be turned around very fast, within a couple hours maybe. Here, you could just do it yourself as well. Name, price, description, image. These are the essentials. Okay, so you've got the name of the item we want to sell, the price, description, image. You can have other fields, but we're going to keep it simple here. We want to save this as a CSV so that you don't see anything I'm showing you. So bam, here you go. Just do that again. I'm so into it. I forget to look at all the screens. So here is the Excel sheet that we're going to be looking at. This is Google Sheets. It's a pizza menu. And this is your product title column. product price, product description, and product image column. Okay, this is all the information that we need to populate what we want to populate. This is the Facebook page that we are going to be using, an amazing restaurant demo. And here is lovely Tap the Table. We're going to sign in with Facebook because that is the only way that you can sign in. And we're going to jump to an account here, an amazing restaurant demo. That's where we're going here. An amazing restaurant demo right here. So all my accounts can be found here. You're always going to land on the orders, or excuse me, the analytics page, so you can understand what's happening. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down to products, and I think we're going to just delete everything here. We're going to delete all the products. Okay, I'm sure I've got some categories here too. We're going to delete. You know what? There's so many here. We'll keep these around here, just to show you all the different ways that you're going to be able to see your products. But in this case, what we're going to do, we're going to take this pizza menu here and upload it here. So import, select file. Under my downloads here, pizza, open. Okay, you ready to see how fast Tap the Table will upload this? Doesn't matter if there's 18 products or 180,000. We can upload them all within under like 3 seconds. This is like basically instantly. 19 products here. So here we have our products. What does this look like? First of all, let's make this into its own category, and I'll show you like all the fun things we've got without having to really do anything. In this case, let's just call this pizza. And I don't think we need any image, but I guess we could show you how that works. So let's just find one pizza image. Okay, we'll just use this one. Pizza right here. I'm going to just take a little screenshot there. I don't want notifications. Let's add the image here. So upload and my desktop. There's the image. So we have a little category image there, right? Easy enough, guys. So we made a little category specifically for the things that we've added called pizza, and it lives here. And in this case, we're going to select all here, hit edit, and we're going to just associate them with the category that we just made, pizza. Save. Here's where it gets fun, okay? What we want to do is let's choose daily pizza. We're going to hit the 3 magical beans, the 3 dots here on the right. It's going to be where you have all of your abilities for whatever you're working with. In this case, it's the product item, daily pizza. I'm going to get the link here. Get the link. And on this Facebook page, I have a Facebook Messenger associated with it, right? This link is going to open up that messenger, and I'm going to be able to start talking. Right now, I should see the item. There's my daily pizza. Okay. Now, let's kind of continue. Let's look at this. What pizza do you have? Now, we're going to be able to see all of the pizza that we have available. And guys, we have no programming to do. We have no coding to do, nothing. It's done for you. All you need to do is just know the things you want to upload. When you have a Tap the Table account, at the bare basic minimum, all you need to do if you want to sell things is add your products. You can add them via CSV like I just did, or one by one. There are many chefs out there in small business owners that'll just use their phone, take a picture of their item they want to sell. They're on Tap the Table with their phone already, and they can easily upload that product just like this. Product section, name. You don't have to do any of the descriptions if you don't want. You do have to have the price and upload an image. They can take a photo with their phone, upload it, and immediately sell it in real time. Okay. So in this case, we've got all our pizzas. Now we'll go ahead and add one to the cart. This is one way that we're able to do this. We'll have 2 of them. We'll add 2 of them to the cart, and we can check out. But here's what I want to do actually. Let's add pepperoni because that's what I wanted to do, right? The way we do this, very, very easy. We're going to say pepperoni, and we're going to make it $1. We're not going to worry about adding an image here or any tags here, but what we will do is we're going to use this product as an add-on for other products and hit save. So now I'm going to go back to the daily pizza. I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to make things the way they should have been made in Domino's deal. First of all, we need variants here. So the first one will be size. And here it'll be small, medium, large, XL. Okay, you guys see this? Very, very easy. Not LX, Ryan, XL. Okay, and we need to increase. Need to increase the price a little bit. Right, so $18 here, $20, and let's make the XL 21 just to throw them off and try to get that thing right. And now it's time for the add-ons. Here are our toppings. We've only made one, and that topping is pepperoni. There's our pepperoni topping. All right, we'll rank this number 1 here. All right, cool. It's in the pizza category. So now I'm going to go, now that I've saved that, let's go back and say again to the page, I want to buy pizza. You want to spell it correctly. Boom. Okay. My pizza. Bam. Here's my daily pizza. You ready for it? Notice we don't have to like go through a conversation to understand the toppings here, because that is silly. We have our options here. Size, small, medium, large, XL. We're going with the Big Daddy large. And we can choose to have toppings or not. You never go in for the pepperoni. It's going to cost an extra $1. You know what? We might as well get the XL. And do you see the price changed? Add it to the cart like a boss. Okay, this is a very easy thing to do, to check out. We can check out easily, right? This is for delivery. This is for pickup. Okay, I have already indicated I want to leave 20%. So even if I'm one of those people that don't tip, boy, if you want to as a restaurant, you can leave that sucker as a default. Because I'll tell you, if Domino's can't find a delivery driver, there's a problem, y'all. Well, people don't have, people have got to start going back to work, or we've got to make technology work even faster. So here's my email and phone number. Okay. 1657, 20%, $62. Hey, there it is. There it is. Thank you for the order. I'm finished at this point. I'm still like dealing with Domino's deal of like understanding how to like get to the next step. You know, like we created an entire menu and sold a product before I was done placing my initial order. That shouldn't have even went through because they couldn't deliver to my house because they had no driver. This is crazy, right? This is the end of the story. Not only was it not the best experience ordering online through Domino's Messenger, I couldn't even get the pizza because they had no drivers. They had no kill switch. This is one of the like most important features that you have to have if you deal with online sales. Ordering is available, yes or no. It's the most critical of features. Now, here's where things get interesting, right? So I just showed you a native way to order through Messenger. It works the same in many channels. The best way to do this is within your NFC link section. Every single account, when you see TTT, Ryan built this for you. You don't have to build it. It would be difficult for many. Wasting time to build this yourself. So in this case, you all have a store link and a web chat link. If I click this store link, here's what's awesome. Enter. Boom. Here's my whole menu. The whole menu is right here. And it's actually very, in my opinion, less is more, right? It's a beautiful menu on your phone to view. Here's my daily pizza. Look, here's the sizes we just made. Here's the topping we just made. Now I've got a special request option. Technically, I do always make my pizzas well done. Add to cart. Look, and we're ready to rock. Proceed to the checkout. Ready to rock. How fast is that? That's the way it should be done. Same deal here. Let's run it. Make sure my name is correct. let's make this one under my wife's name. So in this case, bam, pay. Where does the information go? Where does the payment go? Where does the order go? This is the question I get asked frequently because that goes so fast. Look, guys, check it out. In your order section, here are those orders that just came through from Facebook. Just like that. Easy peasy, right? Also, I have a text message from this page and an email from this page. Because we're connected now in a database, now automatically I could reach out to this customer, Ryan here in this case, or maybe once I hit accept, right? Once I've accepted the order, I could trigger some automation, or once I conclude the order, meaning the delivery driver has left or Ryan came and picked it up. In this case, Ryan came to pick it up because there's no delivery driver. I placed the order, the dude called back, no drivers. So he's like, do you want it or not? I'm like, well, you already charged my card. If you hadn't charged my card, it probably wouldn't be coming to get the pizza, bro. But since you already did, I'm going to just drive the 10 minutes away and get it myself, right? The important thing, and the thing I'll end with here, is when I hit conclude, this can trigger any automation you can dream up. So if you want to, within instantly of concluding the order, send out something to get a review, you could do that. An hour later, a day later, a week later, they could be opted in to get your Black Friday email list the moment that they've made that first order. Whatever you can think of, you can facilitate easily. So the last thing I said I'd show you guys is how to make the Instagram function work. The Instagram bot. Very, very easy. So all you need to do in your settings tab, you're going to go to the Instagram section. It will be very close to the Google Business Messages section. Hopefully I can unveil that by the end of the day here today and really blow some minds. But in this case, we'll just hit connect. And I don't know if we've got an Instagram connected here. Let's see if we do. I should have a test account connected. So we're going to hit continue. So edit. All of them are there. Next. Done. Okay. And so now I'm going to have to choose which one it should choose for me because I'm already associated. There it is. Tap the table demo. Okay, guys. So here's what's really cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do reflector. I'm going to pull up reflector one more time to show you just how awesome everything is. Because everything that works already is working in Instagram now immediately. We don't have to do anything. All we have to do is connect. Let's open up reflector here one last time before I get to the next thing I've got to do. Be going to holler at Tio's in Bluffton, their second location, because they're killing it. I'm gonna have some tacos there. Just gonna go see what's up. Okay, done here. There is my phone. What we're gonna do is we are going to check out Instagram. And speaking of TOs, bam, looks good. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Let's go to, who do we want to sign in as? Let's sign in here. It's the Fusky difference. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna search for tap the table demo. Demo is what we need. This is a page we just connected. Okay. See my little icon there? Here's the moment of truth. We're going to message them. Do you have pizza for sale? Question mark. Let's see if we got it. Let's see. Boom. Do y'all see how we just did this, man? Add to the cart. Don't mind if I do. XL pepperoni time. Well done, please. Add it to the cart. Share the business template, right? So I'm ready to roll now. Let's check out. Do you see how easy this is? This is mind-boggling to me still, right? All right, email. Hopefully you can see everything, hear everything, because otherwise I might just have to, 20% tip, ready to rock, bam. Look, now, do y'all see? Screenshotting this sucker. Do y'all see this? Instagram, I love you. Remember for autofill, question mark? Do you want Instagram to autofill your shipping info for faster checkout. Look, this is so awesome, guys. Save, of course I do. So I've got my receipt here in Instagram. Look, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is how you do it. And so what we're gonna do just to show you how awesome, for real. Like, this is the best. In our orders section here, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love it. What we're gonna do, let's check out, or let's accept this order. Accept it. And now look, I'm gonna get that notification sent to my DM, son. Processing. Right? I can make it say anything I want, or not say anything at all, whatever I want to do. Okay, conclude it. Done. Right? Order complete. Do you see? I'm getting the updates in Instagram. That is how you do it. That is how you do it. So, can I see a menu? How many times have y'all been asked that question? Right? Now, how do we make this appear? We must build a funnel in this case. But what we can do, which is awesome, because what I wanted to happen didn't necessarily happen. It's okay, because what we can do is we can come here and we can send a funnel to them, right? To the actual page itself. So in this case, we can open their profile and we can send a funnel. And in this case, we'll send products. Right, here's a list of products. Send. Boom. So there it is. Add it to the cart. XL pepperoni. This time, I'm going to buy 10 because now we're balling, right? Now we have Instagram. Spending $200 on pieces of no thing, dog. Right? So we're all good. Come back here. Whoops. Let's hit checkout. We checked out. Oh, we still have something. We got to fully check out in our other deal here. It's all good. We can do anything that we want to do. Let's add two more to our cart. We can also generate these things off of comments, folks. Anything that we want to do, we can do. Checkout button, pick it up. Here's the autofill. This is what I wanted to show. Bam. Do you see it? Did it work here? Perfectly. Pay for it. Boom. And another one. I wish I had that a button, you know. So again, let's go back. We should have that order there. There it is. The $200 order. 200. There it is. That's how you do it, folks. That's straight from Instagram. You'll never see this again for at least for a few months. Like, this is where it's at. From the comment piece is really where it gets strong. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to, in our funnels section, our very last thing of the day, for our jet, we are going to add a funnel, and it's going to be IG comment. Okay? This is going to be so easy, it'll make your head spin. We're going to click our first little message block. How can I make this guy smaller? Here we go. And we're going to choose Instagram. Are you ready to see how easy this is? We're going to choose add content, collection. And we're going to tap the table what we want to show. In this case, let's only show the daily pizza. Save. Okay. Publish. Here we go. What we're going to do is in our marketing section. Are y'all with me? Have you gone to sleep yet? Can you still see everything? I hope you can. We're going to go to Instagram community management because we've automated this. We're going to add a post, and it'll be on all of the posts. Reply to everything. Reply with IG comment. And we're going to reply publicly along with that DM that says, see your inbox. And here's our last piece of the pie. Again, we can make message sent. You can make a variety of message happen. Okay, so save. All right, now I think we're ready to rock. So let's try it. Let me double check this thing still we got it turned on correctly. Awesome. So here's what we'll do. We're on the page. We're gonna comment. Cool. Right? It says cool. And then boom, Tap the Table has shared a business template. So I click it, add to cart. Do y'all see what that just did? that is powerful, guys. That is powerful. I don't know about you. And then boom, here's our reply. Here's the things, guys. Do y'all see how it's working, man? Cool. Message sent. Do y'all see? Now watch this. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to take a picture of this little deal on my desk here. Let's see. How can I do it? Forgot how to use Instagram. I don't want to do a story. I'll just use my camera here. Facebook, boom, right? Now I'll open up Instagram. There it is. Post. Next. Okay, that's the Defusky difference. We don't want to do that. We'll get in trouble there. Client. Instead, we want to go to the Tap the Table demo. Make the post happen here. Here's the post. Boom. Y'all seeing it? Comment if you want to win. Okay. Boom. Right? So we see the post. We're almost done. Here's our post on Tap the Table demo. Let's switch back out because we can't comment and reply to ourselves in the same account. So I'm in another account. We're going to go to Tap the Table demo. Here's the new post. Now watch the top of my screen especially. Okay. We're going to say, maybe we'll like it maybe. And we'll comment. Awesome. Awesome. So there it is. I commented awesome. Boom. They shared a business template. We got 2 notifications there. All right. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to look and see. Boom. We already see that Tap the Table has sent us an additional message now. Message sent. Oh, really? I have a message. Great. Check the messages. Ooh, Tap the Table shared a business template. Awesome. There it is. We left the comment. We got hit up with a public reply to our comment instantly that says message sent, DM sent, a variety of replies based on sentiment, replies based on keywords, replies based on any reply, whatever formula you can create in your head. That is the ideal situation. We can achieve this for you. And so in this case, we wanted the user that commented on that post to receive the ability to instantly buy the thing that we're posting about. In this case, it's the pizza. I hit add to cart. There's no reason, guys, take this to the bank, Dominos, and anyone listening, there's no reason for quantity, size, or toppings, any of this to be conversational. There's not a reason for it. You can do it that way. Sure, Domino's has proven that. We can do this and Tap the Table easily, but this is the best way. It's not what you can do. It's what is best for your end user, your customers. And in this case, instead of me tapping something or typing pepperoni, and by the time I've typed the word pepperoni on Domino's ordering on Instagram, which they don't have, by the way, I can just simply say small pepperoni, add to cart. Well, add to cart. I hit the wrong button here. So we have all the abilities, folks. That's really what we're saying. We could do anything that we want to do. So if you guys have any questions about Instagram, chatbots, about digital marketing at a very high level, I would suggest you work smarter and not harder. It's hard to learn all those things and find the time to find the right resources and learn how to use them. And you can get really bogged down messing with too many applications, man. You really can. Instead, find the tool that will automate the pain points of whatever your daily is, and you'll be much better off. In the case of restaurants, they don't really want to be spending so much time in their Facebook messages personally, Instagram message personally. This is a much better thing for a machine to take care of. So we've got our messages here. We've got all the orders. We do have KDS because we have to have a visual way to see the orders so we can see easily what's going on here. And I was the first person in my space to have the kitchen display system. It's pretty nifty. This is where the future is, guys. You can cut the cord from all these additional tools and work with one dashboard to facilitate your sales, to perform outbound marketing like text messages and email blasts. This is all done from your mobile device as well, folks. Like, this is how it is done. It does not get any easier than this. It does not get any easier to send a text message blast to your entire list, to a segment of your list, whatever you want to do. It can be done very, very fast, very easily. Okay, we can have anything we want done, and we can, again, segment. I'm sending this to only males. Maybe this is a male-centric ad of pizza and beer. Maybe this is personalization at scale. Can we automate a drip campaign? Easily. We have a whole tool built for it. There's not anything to code. There's nothing to put together. The hardest part about what you guys would be doing would be coming up with your own messaging at this point. Everything else is just so much easier. Everything's very easy. Imagine this. I'll end here. Imagine that based on a first-time order, okay, from DoorDash. A DoorDash delivery driver drops off the food, the pizza box, the styrofoam deal, the cup, all these opportunities to, like Dominos did, drop awesome branding. Some of your branding now needs to include the QR code and the NFC tags, guys. I can just tap this and I'll get the notification. I can scan this. I can get the notification, whatever it is that I need to do. Okay. I think this is really important stuff. I can take that first time Uber Eats customer, scan the QR code, tap the NFC tag, open up, tap the table to ask for a review, for example, to claim points, any number of things that you would want. As soon as they've done that, they've gone from Uber Eats customer that sometimes they'll highlight your restaurant and sometimes you'll get worse from, but you'll never be able to contact them on your own. They go from Uber Eats customer to Grubhub's customer. One tap, they're your customer. Okay, this is it. You use that third-party delivery service as the ultimate lead generation source for your restaurant. I promise you, Tap the Table will be your favorite application, favorite marketing tool you have ever used. Done for you solution to build the list. So when you're slow, when you need to sell out of something, an event, when you're opening a new location in a place that's new to your organization, the list is what's powerful. Building it in any way, in the fastest, easiest way possible is the goal. Use the list to make the revenue, right? Make sales easy, frictionless, fast. This is Tap the Table. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great rest of your day.